Okay, he crying because I don't want him to hold. I don't want to hold his toy. Watch this. Ain't that something? Alright. Here you go. Now, play with it sitting down. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it so you can play with it. Keep in mind, this could sit down for him to play with it, but he won't be to hold it. See, I gotta hold it a certain way. Let me fix it for him. Here you go. There you go. Yeah. I'm tired of holding it. There you go. Now you know that's a damn shame. Spoiled. Spoiled to the max. Alright. I'm gonna hold it. I'm sorry. There you go. Oh, I gotta hold it a certain way. I'm sorry. There you go. I'm sorry. He mad now. He walking off from me.